del Norte. Talking Spanish. The name is Chabacano. Chabacano, but she was talking Spanish. Yeah, I speak English, but I understand, but I don't direct English. It's one by one. It's one by one. But I understand what are you talking about. You're not busy, Leo. What is you doing today? Are you working? Do you working? Or you are the boss? You teach me Spanish. Obrigado. What is gracious? I have friend. You are a supervisor. From where supervisor? Car dealership. Wow. You are a big boss, huh? Thank you. Mm. I have a friend here, Bruno. You know Bruno Porte, right? She was talking Spanish. Buenos dias, mashallah. Buenos dias. I will see in the Google. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Sí. Hola, ¿cómo estás? The same from Mindanao, from Zamboanga del Norte. She was talking like this. Buenos dias. I like sounds that speaking. Umiyak si Gugu ah. Sinong kasama niya? Ang kausap niya? Ayun. Ano yung inay? Yung tinapay. Tawag ito. Hoy! Mamamatay yung ibon! Nanginginig sa lamig! I-blower mo yun. Uy,